Yo, what is up? It's DeCosmic here. Alrighty, fam. So today I am going to go over the performance of my weekly watch list and show you my watch list for tomorrow, Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. So, as you can see right here, I've populated all of my weekly watch list and they all performed decently except for these 5. But they still had a gap up, like AYTU still gapped up from over the weekend just a little bit, but then it kind of just failed off for the rest of the day. VXRT, it did the same thing. It kind of had a nice little gap up at first, but then it failed. And it was a nice, dollar gap up. AHPI, it also just didn't really do anything at all. That one was a dud. CREX was also another kind of a dud. It didn't really do that much at all. And APT was also a play. It did spike and run in the morning, but it just failed for the rest of the day. But I'm still watching them because they are on my weekly watch list. So let's look at my daily watch list. So tomorrow I will be looking at BLNK, WKHS, AYRO, GENE, XSPA, INO, and MARK. Now let's look at the reasonings why I'm looking at all these stocks. So NKLA is going to be a EV play, and if EV stands for electric vehicle play. And they also just started taking pre-orders, and they're charging $5,000 for their pre-orders, which is actually pretty awesome. Mark, I made a case study follow-up video. I will link it in the description, so check that video out and you'll see a more detailed explanation on Mark, except that I'm just going to say that earnings is Monday and they're going to be running. INO is a COVID play, and I think this thing, they are going to have some news coming out about their vaccine tomorrow. So I think they're going to run. Yeah, I think they're going to have a nice little run tomorrow. Still a big thing to look at. GENE is another play that's running off of COVID. It's just a bio play, but it's still running. And all these stocks typically run for 2 days after a first good green day, and this was its first good green day. And it broke out again after lunch, and it's holding its breakout, so I can expect it to gap up and run tomorrow before it completely decides to do whatever it's going to do. AYRO, that is a electric vehicle play as well. They are moving in tandem with, and honestly I believe a lot of this is with California announcing that their trucks, moving forward, they're going to want trucks to only be electric trucks. So I can see this being another big play, as well as WKHS, which is a electric vehicle truck as electric vehicle company as well. XBA, I did a XBA case study video follow up as and I will link that link in the description. And you will see why I think XBA is going to keep running, especially tomorrow after it's had a nice, really good green day today. And BLNK. Well, let's let this populate real quick. BLNK. BLNK is looking really nice. Solid breakout. And you'll see that all these patterns are the same. Look, like it spikes in the morning, fades through the day, and then as it approaches the level, it breaks past the level, comes down, and breaks past it again. It's a classic breakout. And then once it confirms the breakout, it will come down and retest the highs. Former resistance becomes support, and if it doesn't become support, and fails, that's your sign to get out. So getting in would be after that. And tomorrow I'll be looking to get in on a dip, possibly, but we'll see what's going on. But this is also another bio play. It's not a bio play, I'm sorry. It's a electric vehicle play down here. So I'm excited for what's going to be happening. Just be ready for tomorrow. The market closed strong today. Hopefully it starts off strong again tomorrow. The overall market, that is. And as always, fam, I'm not a professional financial advisor, so trade at your own risk. These are my stocks I'll be looking at tomorrow. I will be doing a live stream tomorrow morning, trading live. So if y'all want to, trade side by side with me, check it out. Otherwise, fam, y'all have a good one. Peace.